Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D stool design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go new drawing file, SCAD 3D, view control, select top, visual style control, select 2D frame, grid turn off. Okay, drawing units UN enter, length type decimal, precision 0, insertion is scale millimeters. Okay, go coordinates, click here, select view. Okay, circle C, enter, center point, diameter D, enter, 325, enter. Okay, move M, enter, go polyline PL, enter, 30 millimeter, 125 millimeter, 480, 75. Click here, enter, explode, line delete, repeat polyline, first point, angle 76, enter, click here, repeat polyline, click here, fillet, F, enter, radius 30 millimeter, enter, select. Okay, trim, enter, joint J, enter, select object, enter. Okay, now go view control, stabilize isometric. Okay, go press full, select, millimeter, enter, repeat, press full, select object, distance 25 millimeter, enter. Okay, now go solid, fillet edge, radius R, enter, 3 millimeter, radius, enter, quick, select, enter. Okay, go home tab, 3D rotate, select object, enter, select, red, angle 90, enter. Okay, move M, enter, select object, base point, click here. Okay, go array, pole array, select object, enter, center point, items 4, enter. Okay, select array set, explode, solid tab, fillet edge, radius 5 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter, repeat fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, enter, select edge, enter. Okay, delete, go union, select object, enter. Okay, go view control, select top, coordinate, click here, select view. Okay, go plane surface, okay, view control, select SW isometric, 3D move, select plane, select axis, 480, enter. Okay, go visual style control, realistic, select circle, delete. Okay, now go material browser, AutoCAD library, select wood, select mahogany natural polished, drag and drop, select mahogany solid natural polish, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, click, select flooring, low pile navy, drag and drop. Okay, select stool, right click, assign to selection, select plane surface, low pile, select stool, select mahogany solid natural polished, select stool, select mahogany natural polished. It's okay. Exit from material browser, orbit, view control, select SW isometric, zoom in, right click here, perspective select, zoom is a enter, zoom window. Okay, now go visualize, render environment, turn on, use custom background, click, select solid, click here. Okay, close, click render to size, select full HD TV. Okay, now render. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.